Anthony Tutorials.
Hi, my name is Anthony Modesta from Anthony Tutorials. Do you want to delete all comments from your WordPress site? May you decide to delete all the comments from WordPress site. If you have a lot of comments, then this could take some time to delete them manually. In this video, I will show you how to easily bulk delete all comments WordPress site. Let's get started. Click on Add New Plugins. Search for Delete All Comments of WordPress in the available search box. After you have installed and activated the plugin, go to the Tools, Delete Comments on your WordPress sidebar. Select checkbox in all comments and then click button Delete Now. You can now visit the comment page and you will see all comments safely deleted from your WordPress site completely. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new videos. Have a great day.